How to add funds to your Bitget wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're new to crypto or just getting started with Bitget Wallet and wondering how to add funds, here is the correct and easiest process. First of all, open the Bitget Wallet application on your device and sign into your account to access to your homepage. Once you're inside the homepage, go to the Wallet tab at the bottom right corner to get to your wallet page. Now, from the Wallet section, tap on the Receive button from the top and then choose the crypto you want to receive from the list. After choosing one, you'll be able to see the wallet address and the QR code shown on the page. If you're trying to transfer from another device, go ahead and scan the QR code from that device or copy the receiving address and share it to another device or a person. Now, go to the platform or wallet you are sending funds from, for example, an exchange or another wallet, and paste in your Bitget wallet address there and confirm the transfer. You can also add funds via Bitget P2P using the debit or credit card or bank transfer option as well. So that is how you add funds to your Bitget wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.